Today, I'm going to show you 10 simple movements that can help encourage healthy blood flow, reduce stiffness, and keep your legs feeling stronger and more energized. We'll start with the easiest exercises you can do lying down, then move to seated exercises, and finally, some standing movements that help build strength and mobility. Let's get started. Before we begin, take a moment and tell me in the comments, do your legs ever feel heavy, swollen, or tired? Type yes or no below. Now let's begin with the lying down exercises. Exercise number 1, ankle pumps. This may be the simplest exercise in today's video, but don't underestimate it. Lie comfortably on your back with your legs straight. Point your toes away from you. Then pull them back toward your face. That's it. Move slowly and deliberately. Repeat 10 times. As your calf muscles contract and relax, they act like a natural pump that helps move blood back toward your heart. Many people notice their legs feel lighter after just a few rounds of this movement. Exercise number 2, side-to-side foot rotations. Stay on your back with your legs relaxed. Now gently rotate both feet toward the left. Pause, then rotate toward the right. Move slowly. Imagine your feet are windshield wipers moving across a windshield. Perform 10 repetitions. This helps wake up the ankles, lower legs, and hips, while encouraging gentle movement throughout the lower body. Exercise number 3, leg slides. Bend your knees so your feet rest flat on the bed or floor. Slowly slide one foot forward until your leg is nearly straight. Pause, then slide it back. Repeat with the opposite leg. Continue alternating sides for 10 repetitions each. This movement combines circulation with gentle muscle activation in the thighs and calves. And here's something important. The stronger your leg muscles stay as you age, the easier everyday activities become. Exercise number 4, elevated ankle pumps. Now let's increase the challenge slightly. Bring your knees up so they're bent comfortably. Lift your feet slightly off the surface. From this position, repeat the ankle pump movement. Toes forward, toes back. 10 repetitions. Because your legs are elevated, many people find this variation feels especially refreshing after a long day of sitting. Before we move on, here's a quick question. Which of those exercises felt best? The ankle pumps or the leg slides? Let me know below. Now let's move to the seated exercises. These are perfect if you spend time watching television, reading, or sitting at a desk. Exercise number 5, heel-toe raises. Sit near the front of a sturdy chair. Place both feet flat on the floor. Raise your heels while keeping your toes down. Pause. Now lower your heels and raise your toes. Pause again. Repeat 10 times. This exercise is one of the most effective ways to keep the calf muscles active while sitting. And active calf muscles are extremely important because they help support healthy circulation throughout the lower legs. Exercise number 6, seated heel slides. Remain seated upright. Slowly slide one heel forward along the floor until your leg is almost straight. Hold briefly. Then return to the starting position. Repeat with the other leg. Perform 10 repetitions per side. Keep your movements controlled. No rushing. Remember, we're not trying to win a race. We're trying to improve movement quality. Exercise number 7, seated marches. Sit tall and lightly, hold the sides of your chair. Lift one knee toward your chest. Lower it. Then lift the other knee. Continue alternating sides. Perform 10 repetitions per leg. Want to make it harder? When your knee is lifted, slowly rotate your ankle in circles. 5 circles clockwise, 5 circles counterclockwise. This activates muscles from the hips all the way down to the feet. And that means more movement, more muscle activity, and better circulation support. Now, here's something many people don't realize. The next section contains the exercise many physical therapists love because it works circulation and strength at the same time. Let's move on. Always stand near a wall, countertop, or railing if you need support. Safety comes first. Exercise number 8. Standing calf raises. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Slowly rise onto your toes. Hold for 2 seconds, then slowly lower back down. Repeat 10 times. This movement targets the calf muscles, often called the body's second heart, because of their important role in helping move blood upward from the legs. Focus on smooth movement, not speed. Exercise number 9. Step-ups. If you have a sturdy step available, this is a fantastic exercise. Step up with one foot. Bring the other foot up. Step back down. Repeat. Perform 10 repetitions. If needed, hold a railing or hand support. This movement encourages coordination, balance, circulation, and leg strength all at once. And these are exactly the qualities that help people remain active and independent as they age. Exercise number 10. Wall sit. This final exercise may be the most challenging one in today's routine. Stand with your back against a wall. Slowly slide down into a partial sitting position. You don't have to go very low. Just go where you're comfortable. Hold for 5 seconds, then slowly stand back up. Repeat 5 times. This exercise activates large muscles throughout the legs and hips, and strong muscles support better movement, better balance, and better overall function. Putting it all together. Now you have a complete circulation routine that can be done almost anywhere. 4 exercises lying down, 3 exercises sitting, 3 exercises standing. The goal isn't to do everything perfectly. The goal is simply to move. Even a few minutes of purposeful movement each day can make a meaningful difference over time. Many people notice their legs feel less stiff, less heavy, and more energized. But remember, consistency matters more than intensity. 5 minutes every day is often more valuable than one long workout once a week. Important safety tips. Before starting any new exercise routine, especially if you have a history of blood clots, circulation disorders, heart conditions, recent surgery, or significant mobility limitations, speak with your healthcare provider first. Never push through sharp pain. Stop immediately if something doesn't feel right. Stay hydrated. Move at your own pace. And most importantly, be patient. Healthy habits work best when they become part of your daily routine. You don't need perfection. You just need progress. If you found today's video helpful, type "moving" in the comments so I know you're committed to taking care of your legs.